In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Google Password Manager is pretty hidden, but don't worry, I will show you exactly where it is. Because after tapping on Google, you need to choose All Services at the top and scroll to hit Autofill with Google here. Then finally tap on Google Password Manager. To get rid of any password that's outdated, you need to click on it, enter your screen lock, and hit the Delete button. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Don't worry, this action won't delete any account or any password. It will only delete this password saved in your manager. And as you can see, after a few seconds, it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!